Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure Windows is up to date and you have a stable internet connection. Next, sign into your Microsoft account. This is how Office ties a digital license to you. Once signed in, check services and subscriptions to see if a Microsoft 365 or product license is assigned. If you have a work or school account, use those credentials. They often auto-provision apps. Now open Excel and proceed to the account page to begin activation. Once in Excel's account area, choose Sign In or Change License and select the account that shows your subscription. This links the app to your digital entitlement. If you purchased a subscription, redeem it through your Microsoft account or the Microsoft Store so the license appears. For organization licenses, ask your IT to assign Microsoft 365 to your account. Make sure Office is updated from the Update Options menu, and then restart Excel. Activation usually completes automatically. Finish by confirming Excel displays your subscription under account, and that editing is enabled. If activation still fails, sign out of Office, clear cached credentials in Windows Credential Manager, then sign back in. This often forces a license refresh. You can use Excel for the web at Office. Calm while resolving the desktop issue, and keep any purchase receipts or tenant info ready when contacting Microsoft support or your IT administrator. That single troubleshooting tip, clear credentials and re-sign, resolves most account-linked activation problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.